Hi, this is Brian Brown from Bennett Telecom. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I can offer you if you are a lawyer or real estate agent or net branch or small business. Number one, you can actually purchase a PBX, which is a voice over IP system where all of the phones operate and look just like this. And you have a choice of either operating on a Wi-Fi connection or in-house networking. If you do the Wi-Fi connection, you can actually take this phone home if you have an extension on the system. So there's two parts of this thing. One is I can provide you a telephone number on the fly. So if you're a real estate agent and you want to just set up camp or show a home is another example of that, and you want to be on part of the office network, you just grab this phone and bring it to your wherever you're showing the home. So that's kind of a cool thing. The other part of this thing is it integrates to your cell phone. So these two, your smartphone and this phone, integrate together. For example, if I just dial my extension number, that's it. That's me just calling my extension. As you can see there. And I'm going to go ahead and hang up. But so that's the part of it. So basically what it comes down to is if you're in your office and you're yakking on the phone and you're talking, and this came through the front desk, for example, or the front desk in Petaluma, and you're here in Santa Rosa, you can say, hold on, let me just, I'm going to hit the road for a second. Instead of saying, call me back on my cell phone, oh, forget it. No, you just press a button and it just moves the call to your cell phone, continue your conversation, head out to your vehicle, and go out and sell that real estate. So that's kind of a cool thing about this integrated deal. The other part of this thing that I want you to also know about is that every time somebody leaves you a voicemail message, it leaves a WAV file copy in your email, so in your inbox. So if you're out and about and somebody leaves you a message here at the office, and I can give you a quick example of that. For example, right here, you can't really see that, but there are text messages letting me know that their voicemail left, and in the body of that message is actually the caller's name and their phone number. So in theory, if I wanted to make the phone call, I can just press it and well, I can tap it and I can actually make the phone call. See that right there, without having to think about it. If you want to return the call without listening to the message, bang, you're on top of it just like that. Pretty cool. So if for some reason you don't want to purchase a full PBX and you have a very small office or work at home and you want some kind of autonomy, I've got 460 telephone numbers that I can provide you. Literally within, I can provide you a phone number, commit you a phone number within minutes of your phone call. An example of that is 707-573-7272. That's here. That's one of my numbers. Of the 430 phone numbers, well, that's a little less than that. 16 of them are out there. But if you said, hey, Brian, I want to set up an office, short notice, tomorrow I want to go live, I've got my pad, my pencil, I got my laptop, I run out with one of these pre-configured with the phone number. As long as you have an internet connection, you're ready to go. And if you have Wi-Fi, this thing is mobile. If you have a wired network in a corporate office or company office, it's already cabled with computer cabling, well, there you go. So it's voice over IP. By the way, did I mention one other tidbit to this whole thing? Is if you have other folks on this system, you can actually, there you go, see it? That's me. You get video calling. So video conference between other co-workers or associates. If you're a mortgage, your underwriter can be on there. So you can do a little video conference. The other cool thing about it is I wanted to share you this. Look at that. Right there is a memory expansion. Oops, let me go there. And also right here is a HDMI plug. So this screen can be broadcast on a big flat screen in your conference room. So you can have a conference with the face. This phone goes for very inexpensive, and if I host your phone number, I've got quite a few businesses out there, and they are lawyers. I just set that up, and if for example, you know the channel number of other users. It doesn't have to be real estate. What if it's a termite inspection or whatever it is, and they have the same system, and you dial a 4-digit number. I could reach the front desk of a wine tasting, a winery, Seamus Winery. I just pick up my phone and dial 4 ones. That just happens to be his front desk, his tasting room. I can dial that and say, hey, I want to do some tasting. So that's that part. Pretty cool. I'm excited about it. It comes in very lean. This is instant business, regardless of what the business is. It could be a 3-week business, a campaign where you have an 800 number. It doesn't matter. I can set you up instantly, and very excited about that. Just give me a call at 707-573-7272. Ask for good old Brian, and I'll have you set up in no time. Very inexpensive. All right, we will talk to you very soon.